Cow, goat, and coconut. What does these three things have in common? They are all sources of milk. Yes, you might be wondering, coconut is a source of milk. It might interest you to know that coconut is one of those few fruits with all-round benefits. They are used for our flawless skin, to build our muscles, give us retentive memory, and also help with our hearts. So before we start, I am Tokunbo, and please look at this face, because this is the face you'll be thanking once you start to enjoy the health benefits of coconut milk. I had a revolution in my health since I have been taking coconut milk. So, what do we need for the easy process of coconut milk? We need the obvious. We need coconut. We have our coconut already diced in pieces here. And we need water. Yes, you need about 4 cups of water to make coconut. And that's all you need. It's that easy. All you need is coconut and water. So let's begin. Okay. So we'll start with our hot water. Basically, you have to boil the water. And once you boil the water, we'll pour it into our blender. We'll pour the hot water. And our coconut pieces. So we have those in the blender. And let me give you a fun fact. I bought this blender on Gigi 2 years ago. And guess what? That's not giving me any reason to complain. And we've been through a lot together. So basically, we are going to boil the coconut and the water till it becomes thick. So remember to blend it till it is thick. Yes. Very well. So now that we have our mixture blended, we have to get it out. Then you get a strainer. And then you pour the mixture. You pour your mixture into the strainer. And what we are trying to do here is get the solid coconut out of the way. So basically, you can try to get a towel or a cotton cloth. Try and get out most of the coconut solids out of your mixture. Once you've done this, you can see the coconut milk is ready. So once we have our coconut milk ready, all you have to do, if you want, you can add in some flavor. Or you can put it into your refrigerator and then keep it for those hot afternoons. You want to see the final? Yes. We have our coconut milk ready to drink. I think I like it like this. I don't think I need to add any flavor. Let me take a taste. It tastes really nice. Coconut milk is quite easy to make. Within 10 minutes, we were done here. All you need is coconut and water, and you can get everything you need for a healthy meal in just 10 minutes. It's so nice. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscription button below. Follow us on all our social media pages and visit us on gg.ng. Thank you.
gg.ng. Sell faster, buy smarter.